Uh-oh.
Oh, come on. Don't tell me you failed math again.
Alright. I won't tell you.
You know, your parents have to sign that, so they're going to see it.
What are you two idiots talking about now? Nothing. Wait. Sign this for me? What the f do you think you're doing? Are you ever not a pest?
Uh-oh. At least now the paper matches the grade.
Shove something in my face again and I'll shove this into your face. Mom, Ryan's hitting me. What? No, I'm not hitting you yet. She's coming. You've sealed your fate unless you sign this.
Fine! I first need to scan it so I can actually see what's written here.
You mean after you crumpled it up?
Alright. It's done. There.